drones or not. Oh, it's trying to hide. Isn't that interesting? It's the street lights lighting up the side of my house, but at night see the shadow from the cars going by on the side of the house, but at night it's pitch dark. Like they turn off all the lights around here, pitch dark. See, there went another car. You guys saw my videos of the dark, how pitch dark it is out here at night. Come on, do something cool. See how they're always in threes. They love their little Masonic symbolism, huh? There might be more above the roof, but they always visually in threes. And then I'm looking at it right now, and it's really low. It's really low. I know our phones, well, everybody knows your phone, you know, you take a picture of the big gorgeous moon and it's a little pin dot and you can't tell. So same thing with these drones. But that is not a star. I can clearly see it, the shape of it. And the one to the left of the brighter one, the middle one, it has red lights on it. So this one, where's my finger? There's my, okay. This one is positioned, the dead trees I showed you yesterday, the one on the, not the one in front of my house, the one to the left. So when I took the video, it'd be the one on the left I was showing you that used to go all the way to the ground that you could not see through. This one right here, this drone right here, this is the one that's positioned, and where I sit in my house, there's a direct line from where that drone is right through the dead tree right to where I'm sitting. Try and tell me these drones aren't hitting us with these frequencies. Trying to blame it on our neighbors. I'm not saying our neighbors don't have stuff. What idiot, what billionaires, idiots would give these idiots weapons that can just off people, street people, felons that they make deals with, crackheads, drug addicts. Who in their right mind is going to give them energy weapons? Do you hear the idling car? Hear it? It's right there. See its taillights? Can you hear him moving in the bushes? Hear him coughing? This is what psychos do to innocent people. And they're dumb enough to believe whatever lies they're told. Apparently they can't do any investigating on their own or think on their own. I'm gonna go out the front and talk to him. Be right back.